discovered my new favorite hobby, and it is creating these DIY floral frames. I bought a pack of these gold frames from Amazon, and they came with these beautiful pressed flowers. And then I created my own pressed flower frame. This is a very special gift that you could create for someone. And with Mother's Day coming up, that would be such a special and thoughtful gift to make for your mom or your grandma or for someone special. So let me show you how to make it.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you
For this project, you'll need to use a double glass frame. I got a pack of 3 from Amazon, and this pack came with some pressed flowers, but I did add an extra set to my order just because I wanted to have some extra pink and purple flowers to use. These are going to become gifts for a couple of people, and I will link what I used in the description box below for you. The first step is to decide on your design. Lay out your pressed flowers on one side of the glass. They're very delicate, so use the tweezers that come with the pack of flowers to help you place them. You can move things around until you like the design.
I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down.
I'm going to keep this frame, so now it's time to secure the photo and the flowers in place. Once you have your layout, gently pick up the flower and add a tiny bit of clear glue to the back using a small paintbrush. You don't need a lot, just enough to hold it in place, and then carefully press the flower back onto the glass.
You are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it will be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring say I wanted it to be us now. Darling, if you knew how this would turn out, we let the stars shine bright. Yeah, I've been waiting too long for ya. I don't wanna love ya if you don't love.
Now you're going to take the second piece of glass and place it over the top. Sandwich the flowers gently between the two panes and close up the frame. And that's it. You have a gorgeous handmade pressed flower frame that is such a meaningful and personal gift. Handmade gifts like this show just how much you care. It's not just about the gift, it's about the time and love you put into creating it.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed watching how to make your own DIY pressed flower frame and that you learned something new. Let me know in the comment box below if you're going to try this DIY, or drop a flower emoji in the comment box below too. Please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button also. And I'll see you next time. Happy decorating!